Game development is slow, so I have created this tool UnityVibe to help game developers develop game quickly. In this tool, you have to describe your scene and provide assets if you have any custom assets to be included in your scene. And let this tool do the magic. I have typed the prompt and now I will generate the script, uh, and it's generated. I will click to wire the scripts, and the scene is created. I'll play it. As you can see, this is working as intended. The ball is moving and jumping over here, and this is the tree and the car prefab located in my resources folder. I have found it over there, and now I'm generating the scene. The scene is generated, and now look around the environment. It is similar to that we described in our prompt, and now I'll wire up the scripts, and now I'll play it. The movement is also similar to which we described, so it's working perfectly fine.